will get your turn. Where you going with this man, boy? Hey! You'll be from the class, eh? Alright, MJ. Right. These are your jokes, I'm playing them. Come on, where? True. Right. God. MJ! Don't be run on these stats, you know. Come on, let's go. Don't be, come on. We hook up this run and start to the faster. Alright. Let's go to hook up this line. Come on, let me see. Up his line on this timer. I'm almost up. What the hell are you doing, man? Whoa! Alright. Alright. Come on, man. Hey, man. Forget already, man. Come on, MJ. Stop in here, boy. But that wire is looking loose. But go ahead. Go tighten up after. Finish too. 4 minutes, going in 5. One more washing machine fix. You tell me in less than 2 minutes, you know. And they will have fixed this washing machine for me. Come on. Within 5 minutes, sir. Because I want to wash his school clothes. Alright. I want my school fixed. The day tomorrow, mister, I gave my school clothes on. I want to wash on this. Hey, boy, this technician, boy. Hey, boy. Back and working at the today, boy. They want the washing on. Technician and them, boy. You finish it? You finish it, boy? You finish? Eh? You finish? You finish? You sure you finish? You sure, right? You convinced that you're sure you finish, right? You finish? Alright. So you're sure this going on work? You sure this gonna work? This gonna work? This going on work? This gonna work? Yes. My daughter ready to wash for. If this work, it's our boss. Hey! Give it. Alright, the fault of the timer there. I know your fault of the timer. Let's go. Look at him, he's smiling! Nice one, anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise now. Look at working! You man bad. You man bad. Have faith in the man. Have faith in the man. The man can do it.